Hey, my people are great to now. Don't come again. See, Ugo eberela na mgbagbu. Wetin I talk? Ugo eberela na mgbagbu. Things don't spoil finish, You see this unknown country where unknown things they happen, If you are a Biafran anywhere in the zoo in Nigeria right now, go and brace yourself up. Go and buy some food and stock up. I know things are very hard. Go to the farm, get yourself some things you need. Because coming 30th of May, I don't know what they have. I don't know what is going to happen in that country. Make you get ready. Buy some things and keep for yourself. Things are happening. Unimaginable things are happening. See, the videos I'm about to bring to you now will tell you what you need to know. Just watch it to the end. And I will see you in the next one. Thank you. Things are getting worse.
What again? Nah, Yemen is a go. Yemen is a go. I'm not going to go power. That bubble too much. Huh? Egbure FM, police 5. They would carry. Man, I say, self. Never. Hey, Jehovah.
Okay, we dey live now for Oji, Imo State, where we hear reports say unknown gunmen they become attack the police station wey dey for this side. So as e be for here now, military people now they don block road wey dey lead to flyover and one wey dey lead to Amawaya. The report we get now be say unknown gunmen they become this area in the afternoon to come burn down the police station wey dey for Oji for this side. So with wetin dey happen now, military presence dey on ground, white road, some road now don block, and if you see now people now they waka for the street, they go to their various destinations. So even people wey dey from other side dey come, military people sef dey tell them make they go back, make they no use this route wey dey block. So for now, commercial drivers now they need to use this route, they apply another route to get to their destination due to say military presence now don dey ground. So yeah, we dey now na Ade junction for Oji. We dey Ade junction for Oji wey just dey like 3 minutes walk to the police station wey unknown gunmen put fire. So with wetin dey happen now, even some business sef, you get this woman now, she don open her business with wetin because of wetin dey happen. Because this place now people dey run for this area, so
some people now dey hands up.
People dey run for this area for their own safety. So with the military present now wey dey on ground, everybody now dey waka with fear. Some of them dey for street.
Dey for adult, like they see say military people na dey for here. For their own safety because of the military present now wey dey on ground. So we dey for Oji police station. Now you go see say some people now dey hands up. Some people now dey hands up. So we dey for Oji, for Ade Junction. Now you go see military people na dey for here. So we dey for Ade Junction for Oji, Imo State. We get reports say unknown group they will come for this area, come burn the police station where they for here. So with report now, with wetin dey happen now, police now they don't block the road. So commercial drivers now they use another route to get to their destination. So with wetin dey happen now, so military people they try calm the situation down. Why do they try to advise residents make everybody go their house for now? Why they try check wetin go on for this side. So we dey for Ade Junction for Oji, Imo State. We get reports say unknown group they will come for this area, come burn the police station where they for here. So with report now, with wetin dey happen now, police now they don't block the road. So commercial drivers now they use another route to get to their destination. So with wetin dey happen now, so military people they try to calm the situation down. Why they try to advise residents make everybody go their house for now? Why they try to check wetin go on for this side?
Everywhere, bomb. They don't scatter station like this. That's police they shoot like this. That's smoke. Oh shit. This Nagaraka be this so. See Garakas. Garaka police station.
Area na don dry. Everybody na don go inside.
See police motor where they come born.
Ha.
God.
Nah. It's kind of wild as this one now. 6 views now. How many young guys? Hey, man, on 88 now. Oh my God, all balls. Police people dey high place now. Well, let's scatter inside. Scatter inside.
What is happening, Garaka?
Hey God.
Garaka.
I remember. Let's have a reply, sir.
How many views did you get? Views about the reply.
Hey. Oh boy. This station is like really on fire. Like he's on fire. Fire like this. Like cars explode. Oh more. I mean, I know accounts now. I don't give him one. I don't get 9.
But more than
But like, I have to go finish now. I have to go finish. See how cars explode.
Get it right here, like this, live on the red down. Don't get right touch. Don't get right touch. Where's the para? Where's the park? Nothing, not too much. How would they for places security like this? Not too, they secure. They people that try is closed. Let's go do like that now. Let's go do like that. They don't get an view, but they don't put the answer is it.
So now everybody see this nice now na wahala guy. Everybody see this now na wahala.
How does one day see this?
I always say for you.
I don't do anything. I watch a little later.
Wow. I knock out the blue. As cars explode.
No joy, no joy.